Hey guys, in this video we will look at the best toilet paper for septic in the market. So, if you are looking to buy one, then this video is for you. Please check out the description below and all of our products that we've included with their respective buy links. At number 1. Charmin Ultra Strong Toilet Paper. Charmin's Ultra Strong Clean Touch Toilet is one of the perfect toilet paper available in the market. You should definitely be considering this toilet paper while buying it. Charmin's Ultra Strong Family Mega Roll is a significantly long-lasting mega roll. It equals 5+ regular rolls for a very reasonable value. It has a very distinctive clean touch which makes it possible to clean better than the leading and the more pricey brands. It has a very lucrative texture and a very high absorbing ability. It will require a lot less toilet paper while using the rest of the leading pricey brands of toilet paper. It has a 2-ply feature and it is completely toilet paper septic safe. So you can use it without much tension. At number 2. Charmin Ultra Soft Cushiony. Charmin Ultra Soft Family Mega Roll is a very big size toilet paper just like other offerings from this brand. Charmin Ultra Soft Family Mega Roll is a very long-lasting one that equals multiple regular rolls that are available in the market at a very decent price. This toilet paper comes with a very distinctive cushiony touch, which makes it so comfortable that it becomes very hard to resist. So naturally, it won't be hard on your skin and cause you any rashes. Furthermore, it has got a super 2x absorption ability. So it lets you use less compared with all the leading toilet paper brands available in the market. Charmin Ultra Soft Family Mega Roll has 2-ply. It makes it longer lasting. So there is no chance of disturbance later. You will be able to enjoy your bathroom experience significantly by having Charmin Ultra Soft Cushiony Touch toilet paper to use. At number 3. Scott Rapid Dissolving Toilet Paper. Scott Rapid Dissolving Toilet Paper is very gentle and nice to your skin. This toilet tissue is specially made to use in RVs, boats, buses, and other applications like these. This is one of the suitable toilet paper available and it is perfectly suited for your motor home. On top of that, this toilet paper is very much friendly to the environment. This Scott Rapid Dissolving Toilet Paper is a rapidly dissolving toilet paper tissue that breaks down 4 times faster than the other leading well-known toilet paper brands. This toilet paper is a clog clinic tested. So there is no possibility of getting clogged in the toilet. All the materials that are being used for this are responsibly chosen, so it keeps the septic tank of RV in your home very safe. This toilet paper is also very friendly to the environment for the elements that are being used. Moreover, the best toilet tissue for a septic tank is very soft and absorbent. So it can serve your skin pretty well without any doubt. If you are on the go, you will need toilet paper for sure. So choose a toilet paper that will not cause any plumbing problem to your RV. So in such a case, Scott Rapid Dissolving Toilet Paper can definitely serve your purpose. At number 4, Mega Roll Toilet Paper. Presto! Ultra Strong Toilet Paper is something that you must consider while going to buy toilet paper from the market. This toilet paper comes with some features that you cannot simply ignore. Presto! Ultra Strong Toilet Paper is very soft, so it is gentle to your skin. It offers the softness and the needed strength that you expect. This strength will keep you comfortable while using it. This toilet tissue is stronger than the rest of the Toilet 100 leading brand of toilet tissues by almost 80%. Each of the mega rolls that it brings with it stays for X longer than a regular toilet paper roll. So you can expect to buy a lot of lesser toilet paper for future use. It is a 2-ply toilet paper. That means it has 2 sheets of toilet paper, so it is very firm. You can have better results by using it. It is made of substances from sustainably managed forests and controlled sources. The amazing part is if you are running short of this, then you can order it through Alexa by just saying, "Alexa, order Presto." Toilet paper. At number 5, Scott Comfort Plus Toilet Paper. Scott Comfort Plus Toilet Paper ensures your everyday comfort with all the extra convenient features it brings with it. This tissue is designed in a way that will take good care of your skin, keep you comfortable, and add some little extra value. Scott Comfort Plus Toilet Paper comes from a very trusted brand. It has very thick sheets that are enough to ensure the comfort and cleanliness of your skin. Scott Comfort Plus Toilet Paper is properly tested about the strength, and it is perfectly designed that surely provides comfort. It comes with a one-ply sheet, that means the sheet has only one layer. It is made without the use of any sort of chlorine. So it is not harmful to the environment during the production or while using it. This toilet paper doesn't come with a cardboard roll. We hope you loved the video, and please tell us which products we should review next in our comments section. Thank you for spending time on our video. Please remember that there are links in the description of all products shown today.